My 2010 Craftsman tractor with a snow cab came without no vinyl in the back. I went to Walmart and bought it. Also added LED lights to the back of it. Mounted them to the rear support. They have a flashing solenoid relay inside. Had to add a 12-point power supply. Just drilled the hole out with a 7/8 bit, installed it and wired it up. That's my light mechanism. The cab used to have there, this black line was black nylon all the way down. Couldn't see what was going on in front of you here. So I've replaced it with clear vinyl so I can see what's going on, and eliminated the side flaps, keep more air out. Also added a power lift, machined out a bracket, mounts right underneath the starter on the frame. It's an electric lift solenoid. It's wired right directly to the battery, and just got an extension arm there to get the full distance and stroke. And that is a rod that is made out of galvanized pipe that you would buy for gasoline. And this is how all Craftsman tractors should be built. It's worth the extra $200.